Congratulations on clearing the NID's first phase and welcome to the second phase of NID. I, Rekha, Creative Head of Academy of Fashion and Art, welcome you for the second round's preparation. NID conducts 1 or 2 days workshop at NID's campus on scheduled date and time. For this test, students selected are nearly 3 times the total number of seats. This test includes number of test series that we shall be discussing in detail one by one. Number 1, doodling, creating something meaningful and beautiful with the given vague and planned lines. These lines are normally given in some boxes spread over 2 to 3 sheets. You may have to support your artwork with an appropriate title, and the time limit for this test may be 10 to 30 minutes. Second, 3D model making. 3D model making actually is the material handling ability or the conceptualization skills of a candidate. They are given some 3D material like cloth, paper, ice cream sticks, strings, thumb pins, etc. and they have to create a prototype of a model. For example, create a footwear with 1 liter disposable water bottle, shoelace, thumb pins and ice cream sticks without using any adhesive. Another example, create a movable toy which also makes sound with the given material such as a small piece of paper, thumb pins, string, ice cream sticks, straws and small potatoes. You may have to support your model with an appropriate write-up of 50 to 100 words and again with an appropriate title also. Third test may be clay modeling. In clay modeling, given amount of potter's clay or a normal playing dough, a candidate has to mold a 3D model with in reference to the given picture, or maybe an independent question like create a 3D model inspired from flora to keep 200 ml of water in it. The time limit for this test may again vary from 30 minutes to 1 hour. There may be psychometric test or thematic test of the candidate. This test is based on your observation and presence of mind. This may also be known as a touch and feel test. For example, you may have to tell the ingredients of a pudding by smelling it, or you may have to feel the object which is kept inside the socks and you may have to feel for 10 seconds or a minute. The next test is going to be wire molding. Students are provided with the wire of approximate dimensions and approximate diameter, and they may have to mold that wire into given question like pair of scissors, road rollers, front of a bicycle, etc. Then there may be audio and visual rounds. A candidate is made to listen to some audios and name the particular sound or suggest what musical instruments are required for producing that sound. They may also be shown a clipping for a minute. They have to observe it and answer a series of questions based on them. Now comes the portfolio. Portfolio is a collection of creative work done by a candidate in the form of some illustrations, computer layouts or sketches. A candidate must carry a collection of his or her creative work in the form of illustrations, drawing, computer layouts and photograph. It plays a very major role in your selection. You must have a complete knowledge about your creative work. For example, this is your portfolio. This you have to present there in front of the panelist sitting over there. You must have complete knowledge about your work in terms of concept, in terms of your ideas, in terms of your perception, even why did you draw them, color selection, subject selection, etc. See, you can just have a look on these examples shown to you. You may demonstrate your best piece of work in front of the panelist And this will give you a chance to present how creative you are and how open you are to new ideas of design. Mind it, your work should be original. Along with your portfolio continues the interview. It is the personal assessment of attitudes or face-to-face conversation of the candidate between and the some 3-4 faculty members of NID sitting over there. Remember, there are designers, experts and psychologists sitting over there. They will give you a chance to present how open you are to new ideas, new concepts and new designs. You will be judged on various parameters like how spontaneous you are. Interview is the face-to-face conversation of the candidate and the NIDians sitting over there. Some 3-4 faculty members sit over there, in which they also make some psychiatrists sit over there. You are judged on various parameters like how open you are to the design ideas, how spontaneous you are, your strength, your weaknesses, your portfolio presentation, etc. There may be a series of questions about yourself, about the place you belong to, about the art and culture, monuments, food habits, dressing sense of the state you belong to. You must have again complete knowledge about the work you are presenting in the form of portfolio. Your confidence, your looks, your presence of mind will play a major role in your selection. So, by now you must have understood that for cracking the second round, you need expert guidance on all the aforesaid tests. In AFA, will guide you for each and every test which will help you to prepare for NID Studio test. Whether it is creative and calculative resourceful manipulation of the available material to create a prototype of a model, clay modeling, wire molding, psychometric test, audiovisual rounds, portfolio presentation and interview concepts. We make you learn to be confident and smart for the scheduled day. AFA knows that each and every child is expert and unique in their creative sense, and we try to polish that sense of yours. So AFA wishes you all the best for your NID Studio test. Thank you.